Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to generate advertiser, like the design, the typography and everything about your brand with AI. All what you need to do, just open browser and then type Pomedi. It's product of Google Apps. It's like from testing scratch. So if it is not open guys, you need to use VPN. If it is working so fine in your country, so all good. So after that, go for let's get started. You can select accounts and so on. So here you need to get which campaign you want to create. You want to business DNA like this one. I'm gonna be delete everything. Just it's an onboarding guys, that's it. So it's gonna be the same onboarding as you. So here I'm gonna be using this website, which is a shop of the Scartian, the most popular shop in my country now. So after that, checking the link, I will press continue after providing the link itself on the platform. So it's gonna be making a bit time, and I will be back after checking everything here. So guys, after getting everything, it's gonna be having the main colors that use the website, the fonts that I use it, the tagline, the brand values, brand analytics, brand tones of voices, and the pictures are already used there. So you can just make the scaling of the picture that use it. I'm gonna be going for looking good. So it's gonna be suggesting some campaigns based on our business DNA, which is the colors, the font, and so on. It's gonna be waiting for the output. I will come back. So guys, after having this results, guys, you will have suggestion based on the business idea DNA. I will just check this one. After that, it's gonna be some animation things, or you want to do this, like imagine how you're having the output, the text, and how it works. When I press it, it's gonna be like this. If I can download it for sure, and when I open it, it's gonna be high quality one, I guess. That's it guys, how to make a creative campaign for your business one using only AI. You can customize it guys. If you want some animation, if you want some things that you need to go through it, you can do it. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Peace.